Hello, welcome to this video in our Engineering Notebook series. My name is Megan and I am the team captain and technical captain of FTC 18367 Graffiti. In this video, we will be going over the sections of the Engineering Notebook and what to include in each. We hope this video is helpful to your team when considering how to make the Engineering Notebook. In other videos in this series, we will go over choosing a software for creating your notebook and how to create robot logs. So check out our channel and subscribe for more content. So to start, a great table of contents is a must. Make sure your table of contents makes it easy for the judges to find each section and to find your most important information. Try color coding sections or topics in the notebook and make sure you have page numbering. So for each section, we will start with the business sections you should include in your notebook and then transfer to the robot sections. First, you'll want a team section. This should have team member and mentors bios as well as a summary about your team. Then include a business plan. This is required for the Motivate, Connect, and Inspire awards, so make sure you have something included. You can include a fundraising plan that talks about your budget and how you got your money, a skills plan that discusses what skills members want to learn and how they will achieve this, a sustainability plan that shows a team outlook for the next 1 to 2 years, a strategic plan that discusses team goals and steps to achieve those goals, a marketing plan about your social media, and a 1 to 2 to 3 sentence mission statement of the overall goal of your team or organization. So one page shown here are on our goals. We also have pages on our SWOT analysis, and we have a page that is part of our marketing plan. These are just some examples of things that you could decide to include in your business plan. You also want to have an outreach section that includes a summary of each outreach event your team did or initiatives that includes a photo, a date, an estimate of the number of people impacted, and a description of the event. Make sure to include any and all outreach events that your team does, no matter how big or small the event is. A section for Connect is also important. Here, record any connections you made from industry, other teams, or other important connections you made. These connections can be from parent connections, companies, sponsors, through the new First Mentor Network, or any other connections you have. It is good to show existing connections, but it's even better to show that you're actively seeking and creating new connections. Here is a page about 2 connections we made to benefit an outreach project that we are currently working on. For the robot section, we recommend starting with the summary and an overview of the robot. This is known as the RDES, or the Robot Design Executive Summary. Here include your design process, strategy, CAD, and a robot overview, including details on each subsystem. You can also put in a strategy section either in the RDES or separately and tell the judges how you chose which missions to do, how that strategy changed throughout the season, and how successful you were at doing the strategy you set out to accomplish. You must also put in a control section to be eligible for the control award, which is all about the programming. This can either be separate from the notebook or included inside the notebook as well. You don't need to include a lot of screenshots of all your code because the judges don't have a ton of time to view your notebook or control award submission, but focus on the processes that you took to make your code, the concepts of the overall code, and the functions of your code. Lastly, make sure you include daily or weekly logs while making your robot. We write who attended the meeting, what we did at the meeting, and then we also more specifically write out after we kind of summarize what we did, and then we also add next steps for like the following meetings. You want to include as many sketches, photos, CAD, math, and testing as possible. You want to make sure that the judges can see that your team followed the engineering design cycle throughout the season. And people should also be able to completely rebuild your robot from what you have in your logs. So here's an example of a log where we added some CAD. Here's some more logs where we did a test and recorded data. And then a third log where we have some trajectory calculations that we did. So whenever you make a log, you want to make sure that you have lots of pictures and that the text explains it specifically enough that people understand what you did. If you are interested in more logs and pages, we have another video about how to make robot logs specifically, so go check that out. And here are just 2 more logs that we have as an example. So thank you so much. This has been a basic overview of the sections you should include in your engineering notebook. We hope you found this helpful. If you liked the video, please subscribe to us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and also subscribe to our channel. DM us or email us if you have any questions, and we'd be more than happy to share our notebook further with you or answer any questions you have. Thank you, and we hope you enjoyed this video.